We're here today to talk about why so many first-time buyers are here looking at a UForce 600. The UForce 600 is the starting point in a utility side-by-side from CFMOTO. A big reason why people like this machine so much is it has a very attractive starting price point at $10,999 MSRP. This machine is going to come more outfitted out of the box right from the manufacturer at a price point that is thousands less than the competition. This machine is going to come standard the way you see it. Roof, 3,500 pound winch, 6-ply tires, 12-inch aluminum wheels, LED lights, door nets, you name it, it's already on here. So everything you're getting right out of the box, a lot of this is an add-on or an additional charge from some of the competition. A 600cc is a very good starting point for anybody looking for a machine to do some yard work or plowing, somebody looking for a machine that's going to get them in and out of the woods to the deer stand. Hobby farmers kind of gravitate toward these machines. They have a very good tow rating at about 2,000 pounds off the rear hitch, so you can pull a trailer, you can tow a round bale with this machine. The size of this machine, it's about 10 feet in length, with a limited slip rear differential and 2-wheel drive. It's not going to tear up your grass, and it has one of the best turning radiuses in its class. It's stylish first off. It has a very good aesthetically pleasing look to it. It is very easy to operate. It is just like driving an automatic car. You do have plenty of room with the bench seat inside. Getting in and out is very easy. This machine also has a 10-gallon fuel capacity. It comes very well equipped with power steering, pretty much all of the upgraded parts already available on the machine right from the manufacturer. One thing that surprises people the most about a UForce 600 is the surprising amount of torque and power that you get out of this machine. Most 570 to 600cc class UTVs, sometimes the engines struggle to keep up with the weight of the machine, whereas this machine, especially in low gear, it will surprise you, it will put you in the seat. It does have a very good torque rating right off the line on the high output 600cc engine. This machine is compared most to a Polaris Ranger 570. Size-wise, it's gonna be about the same. The 600cc will actually outperform the Ranger in every aspect that they've been tested side by side in. And it also comes in about $3,000 less at MSRP. The UForce 600 is gonna come standard with selective ride modes, so you will have a work mode and a normal mode. The interior is very easy to understand. You have headlight controls to the left of your wheel, 4-wheel drive option here. So you have an all-wheel drive setting and a 4-wheel diff lock setting, where it locks out the front end to give you full 4-wheel drive. So every wheel is spinning in that 4-wheel lock mode. If you compare a machine of CFMOTO's competition outfitted the way you see the CFMOTO, you will be upwards of $15,000 to $17,000 by the time you get to where we are right out of the box on the UForce. This makes this machine very attractive to pretty much everybody. So if you may be interested in the UForce 600, please give us a call at 845-744-2884 or stop on down to our showroom here in Bullville, New York. I would be more than happy to take you around, let you test drive it and get a feel for it, and we can have you out the same day.